Let's take a look at the accessories display for this 829,782,977. This is the large cherry. This is the large cherry. This is the controller. These are the bracket adapters, 2 bracket adapters. This is the controller mounting block, and this is the print head mounting block. This bracket goes here on this part, over here on the top, on this side it goes here. Over here are the screws, the mounting screws. Here are the power cables. This is the data cable which connects the controller, HMI, and the print head, data cable. This is the photoelectric power supply bracket. These are the mounting bases, 3 mounting bases. That's all of them.
The controller's linkage, this one is pretty good. This one, yeah.
When installing, first tighten one side, but don't fully tighten it yet. Just screw it in a few turns, then do the other side. It's the same for this one. Originally, we were supposed to drill a hole to mount it here, but now we're just using our hands directly. We were supposed to use this, but since we don't have the corresponding hole, we'll just use the original one we had. The hole is already drilled, Delita. Then securely tighten the main body of the unit. Okay. Then
I understand. I said give him this fitting. Then tighten the screw for it. You can go ahead and place the controller on now. Surprised.
there are still so many.
Data cables. Can it go here? You can snap the ink cartridge in. Watch closely. Hurry up and go. The overall assembler. Okay.